Good morning, students. Today, I want to talk to you about different ways we can say yes in English. Saying yes is important in communication because it shows agreement or confirmation. Let's explore some alternatives to the word yes that you can use in your conversations. Firstly, we have affirmative. This word means yes or I agree. It's a formal way to show you're on board with something. Next up is indeed. This word is used to emphasize agreement or confirmation. For example, if someone asks if you finished your homework, you can say, "Indeed, I did." Absolutely is another great word to express agreement or certainty. It's like saying totally or completely. If you're sure about something, you can say, "Absolutely." Now, certainly is a polite way of saying yes. It shows that you are willing to agree or help. For instance, if someone asks if you can help them, you can respond with certainly. Of course, is a friendly way to say yes, and it implies that something is obvious or expected. For example, if a friend asks if they can borrow your pencil, you can say, "Of course." Sure is a simple and casual way to say yes. It's like saying okay or "I'm fine with that." You might say, "Sure, let's go." Yeah is an informal way of saying yes. It's commonly used in casual conversations among friends or family. Alright is a more laid-back way to agree with something. It's like saying okay or fine. You might hear someone say, "Alright, let's do it." Okay is a very common and straightforward way of saying yes or showing agreement. It's simple and easy to understand. When you say agreed, it means you're in accordance with someone else's suggestion or statement. It's a formal way of showing you're on the same page. Roger is a term often used in communication, especially in military or aviation contexts, to acknowledge understanding or agreement. It's like saying "got it" or "acknowledged." Definitely is a strong way to express agreement or certainty. It means you're absolutely sure about something. Similarly, absolutely emphasizes complete agreement or certainty. It's like saying definitely, but with a bit more emphasis. When you say without a doubt, you're expressing absolute certainty. It means you have no reservations or uncertainty about something. Affirm is a formal way of saying yes or confirming something. It's often used in official or professional settings. Yay is another informal way of saying yes. It's similar to yeah, but might be used in more formal situations. Yep is a casual and relaxed way of saying yes. It's often used in informal conversations. I is a bit old-fashioned but still used, especially in nautical or military contexts. It means yes or I agree. Okie dokie is a playful and informal way of saying okay or yes. It's often used in lighthearted or humorous situations. Alrighty is a friendly and informal way of saying okay or yes. It's like saying "sounds good" or "I'm on board." So, there you have it, a variety of ways to say yes in English. Remember to choose the one that fits the situation and your level of formality. Keep practicing these words, and you'll sound more confident and natural in your conversations. Keep up the great work, everyone.